Hey guys, it's Peter. So this week I know we're talking about close reading and close reading tools that we can use within our classroom. And for this week, I'm gonna focus on a poem. My main focus for being a teacher is English, and I know growing up that poems were always something that my teachers, because I didn't do a lot of close reading growing up, but poems were something that we always did close reading on because poems offer a lot of content, like hidden messages within them and everything. And it's really interesting to be able to dive into a poem and really see what the author was trying to show or explain to us. So, as you can see, I just have the regular poem here on Google Docs, and Google Docs is a great tool to use for close reading because, like, you can easily just highlight materials like in like 2 seconds, like it's no big deal. It's super easy and quick if you think something's important. Or if you think like a passage or a word is important, you can like say like the passage is important. You can highlight it and add a comment to what you think the passage might mean, which is super quick and easy. It's nice. All your comments are right here on the right hand side. You can add anything you want and stuff. And it's nice too because if your comments get all bundled up, or if you have like too many to fit on the right side of the screen, you can simply just click on the highlighted part that you have for the comment, and that comment will pop up right on the right for you with no issues whatsoever. So obviously this is just the normal poem, but the tool I would like to use for this is the QR code, which I thought was a great and awesome idea. I never really thought of using that for teaching or for this purpose. So the student would go through all of this and they would pick out like what they think is important, like write what passages are important, what words are important, what they mean, and everything, and just do their own close reading examples. And then when they are done, they can scan this code easily with their phone or a tablet or anything. For this purpose, just because I'm recording my screen, I'm just going to go to the link that it pops up to. It does work, so I'll leave it here for a couple of seconds if you actually want to try it out, or you can pause my video and try it out. It goes right to the Google Doc that I have for the close reading that a teacher would get for this. So here it pops up into this, and as you can see, things are highlighted in all different colors and everything. There's a bunch of comments on the side, so students can easily just come right over to this and compare their work to the work of the teacher. So, like this highlight, like it shows like the language. Like, I just highlighted it because it was just the title. So like I can show that like the whole thing shows like technical and conversational language. The tone is celebratory and all of that, and like I have different comments or different highlights and stuff. So like green highlight though, it can be seen as coming to terms with oneself. There's all these things. There's words within here that you can see as grasping and how it can connect to the story. Or like the blue highlight, like it's down here, can be seen as like the first of two memories because like within the poem it shows that there's like two separate memories and everything. This red one is the transition and everything, so you can just see easily that this is a great tool for any student to use and easy for any student to use as long as they have access to the internet. So I just really like this idea and really wanted to touch upon it for this week because I think it's just awesome that you can simply have a student work on their own material and then scan a code and seconds later just be able to review their own things and work on it by themselves and really touch upon the point of being independent, which is important for any student. So this is what I thought was most important and best for the close reading poem or close reading assignment, and I hope you like it.